Xulhaz Mannan was an employee of the United States Embassy in Dhaka and the founder of Bangladesh's first and only LGBT-themed magazine Roopban. He was killed in his apartment along with another LGBT activist Mehboob Rabi Tonoy in a machete attack by Islamist extremists. Mannan's mother is a retired education ministry officer, and his father, who died several years ago, was actively involved with the Bangladeshi independence movement in 1971. Mannan was born on 12 October 1976. He completed his SSC and HSC at Dhaka Residential Model College. He was involved in cultural activities from junior school. He then completed his BCom at City College, Dhaka. Later he studied at Dhaka University and finished with honours in international relations. In 2003 he received a master's degree of social sciences in peace and conflict studies. He started his career in MGH Group, and later joined the US Embassy, Dhaka, as a protocol officer of the ambassador till 2015 and then switched to USAID in September 2015. He was involved in many activities outside work. He was a script writer for our TV production at the very beginning. Photography, travel, hiking, event organizing were some of his hobbies. Mannan was founder and publisher of Roopban, the only magazine for the LGBT community in Bangladesh, launched in 2014. He had worked in the human rights sector, especially for the LGBT community in Bangladesh. He successfully arranged a rainbow rally in Dhaka on April 2014. However, the rally was cancelled in 2016 on police instruction as Islamic groups threatened to kill anyone taking part. On 27 April 2016, Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina criticized his writings by comparing them with adult content. He had received death threats after trying to organize a youth LGBT rainbow rally in early April 2016. Mannan was killed in his apartment along with LGBT activist Mehboob Rabi Tonoy in a stabbing attack. Shortly after, he had posted pictures of himself on the internet and openly declaring he was gay. It is believed it was the open declaration of his sexuality which gave the go-ahead for the extremist group that killed him. A witness reported 5 men leaving the scene chanting, Allahu Akbar. Ansar al-Islam, an Al-Qaeda-linked group, claimed responsibility for the murders, stating as he had himself confirmed his sexuality he needed to be killed according to Sharia law. In May 2019, 8 extremists were charged by Bangladesh police for the murders. 4 of the 8 are in custody and police are still searching for the others. In August 2021, the court sentenced 6 people to death for the murder.